this bald one. Oh my god! Oh,
Oh shit!
I have this on video. We need to call 911 right now.
Oh.
Hold on. Don't.
Bruh, I ain't never seen some tweaking ass shit like this. This fool look like the Grinch stole motherfucking Christmas. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, sis. They really driving. Hang out the window. It's 3 of them. Oh, fuck! Jesus. Goddamn.
About like 7, 8 cars. They just pull up to the exit and start reversing out. Like, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? It's a 5-minute traffic jam. Wow, this dude literally just made a U-turn. He's going up the exit. Oh my gosh, these people are genius. Look at this shit. Oh my god, look, another guy. He's like, oh, I guess. Who else? Who's next? Who's next? Unbelievable.
So we're on Georgia Street in Vallejo, and my guy here is melting some thermoplastic to the ground so that we can make these stops more visible. What is it? Oh, okay. Anyway, we're going to do this so that we can make it more visible for people to, well, know that they need to stop at these kind of Wait, what is that? So you're supposed to stop. It says stop on the ground. There's a stop sign. Anyway, we're working in... Okay, you just go. It's fine. So we're working here, and he gave 0 fucks about anything. He just went. Anyway, you're supposed to stop. We're in the middle of the road. We don't want to get hit. We would appreciate it if you stopped at a stop sign. It's kind of... Okay. Nobody's going to get it today. We're just not... All right. Even the taxi. The damn taxi did it too. I don't know what to say. This is what happens when you work in the street every day.